is us going down to the cave. Okay.
Just keep
Hold.
going.
Can you hold that up? Keep holding in the side because there's a guide anyway.
Turn the lamp off just now.
Turn it off because it's
You
bright.
don't need it on yet. Wait till it's dark.
It's bright. It's winter. Slowly, nak, slowly. It's okay. You hold as long as you can hold.
I don't want to be on the edge.
You're
Okay.
not on the edge. You can't go down the hole.
No.
Okay, 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 okay.
Oh dear.
Just go, Dad.
No, it's not that. It's
Go, go, go. Just go.
this is where they broke through from the mines.
Don't feel it's so slippery.
What was your head?
Okay. You have to.
No, touch it.
Yeah, don't touch it. My gosh, kagahig ulo. Kagahig ulo. Dad, you have to look for a fairy, ha? Because you get a prize once you get it all. Any fairy that display.
Now you tell me.
It's okay. We not start. I don't think it started yet. One. Ay, there's a fairy knock. Maybe this one? Knock? Can you open it? It's 60. No, it's not. Wow, that's what they said. Oh, no, it's just a drop, Dad, no? That's a drip and then turn into like the...
Yes, slowly.
Whoa, cool.
Look at the colours.
It's very dark.
I know. Put your big light, not. Flashlight. Where's your flashlight? Oh, okay, you're using it. Just don't focus in the eyes, ha, of somebody.
Mama,
Sige, just
I
go.
want to go home to
Okay, just go. Okay, keep looking at the fairy.
What fairy? I don't see any fairies.
This is two.
Yeah. You know what? We should have a thingy a guide thingy ba in your ears. That's what it is. Telling you about that.
Wait, no, get that.
As you go, made it to me, the Almighty ransom.
There you go. Genesis. Take a picture of that. Oi, quickly.
I can't. I'm taking video. Be.
Get a video of that. You got it?
Wait, sir. I take photo. Yeah, I take photo. Okay.
Look at the colour.
I know.
And that's amazing.
Wow, look at this white.
What white?
Like a stone. What is that on the right side? That one.
Yeah, it's just when you do that, it changes, look.
Aye.
Ah, because it's purple.
Point the stone there. There.
See, it's broken off.
Yeah.
Somebody's mum,
That's a drip and it will turn into...
that will drop.
Yeah, no, it's very... No touching.
Let's wait till these people go through first, so we're not going out.
Sige lang kayo, we are watching, enjoying, looking.
What?
Oh, Allah.
What is it?
father pa ni si David.
Keep on, man.
They're all crouching down, so just wait till they come. Wait till they come.
Welcome to the twins.
A pleasure to meet you. I am
Sally the
Sally the
Duck
Shark
Tooth.
Tooth.
1860. We did find that sort of carver and see today.
Sally the Shark Tooth.
We are from a shilling each. That's what
Where is the tooth? Where? Where is the tooth? Where is it? The one there?
Yeah.
Where?
Well, that's the twins. Look.
Uh,
Think it's cold?
a little.
But no.
Nah, no, it's nothing.
I think maybe the excitement and then the back of my head.
I found nothing. See the fairy I found already. Like, this is the second one. I think is that the one you're looking for?
I don't know what you're looking for.
Fairy man daw, fairy.
It should be the fairy's house then. It shouldn't be the fairy. Oh, again, my head.
Là, par exemple.
What's this? Oh, it's nothing.
Look,
Look. Purple,
Purple,
look.
It's incredible.
But the purple is the flashlight.
No, it's not.
It is the flashlight.
Yeah, it's just fast.
Dennis, smile, Dennis, be. Smile.
Really good, isn't it?
Okay. Daddy, smile, Dad. Look at here, Dad. Smile. Okay, go. Wow.
Those people go through first.
Ils avaient dit qu'en 200 ans, ils avaient fait ça.
You can stand up to that.
Incredible, isn't it?
Here you go.
This is the best I've seen as regards.
I know. How much you pay?
No, but look. Look at that there.
Yeah, I know. I'm focused with. Wow.
Je l'ai vu, regardez.
From the way down here. Look. Right down.
The color will change, no?
There.
Go.
It's dripping.
Yeah. Wow. It's not broken, that's not supposed to.
I'm going to tell my class about this and it will take 2 hours to explain. Whoa, that's
It's making holes in there. It's as if it's drilled in.